Hi everybody, it is the Gaming Yuki once again with the State of Mudae for the month of May 2022. If you are brand new to the series, it is where we talk about what has happened in the last month in terms of the Mudae Bot updates and any Mudae news that has come. And we're going to analyze some predictions based on our updates on what could happen in June. Let's get right into it, y'all. I'm Gaming Yuki once again. Make sure you guys like and subscribe for more of these updates on the Mudae bot, as well as State of Mudae and other videos I have for you guys. So for this month, we did not have much action yet. Of course, it is only half of May, but not in the terms of like updates for the server. Except I do want to go over some of the updates that has happened in the past few months to give us a glimpse into what could be for June. What could happen in June? So obviously the big story that has happened in the last few weeks is the idea of the Mudae GM bot. If you are not familiar with the Mudae GM bot, it is basically the one that handles and is responsible for the Waifu Arena. The reason why this was a big story back a few weeks ago was because the bot mysteriously went offline. And we did not know why until we had this update from April 30th, 2022, talking about that there was a few crashes on a server. And there's not many people who host the bot. I'm one of the few. Of course, you have to add the Mudae bot themselves, but in terms of like how many servers the arena has been posted on, there was not a lot. Okay, so that was another thing that happened. Then there was crashes within 48 hours, 5 times. They do not know what happened, and then it came back a few days later. The big update that happened during the last month, though, is the quality of life. It's more quality of life than anything to help the players play, and that is the use of toggle buttons, which allows the mods and admins to replace the buttons for reactions. So if we go into the Moody game itself, either on my server or their server, you're going to see that we got we got Rim and Ram, yeah. And now you have, I don't think they ever replaced it on here, but I did replace it on mine. If we go to mine, in particular, we go to Mudae, and somebody is actually helping me with the server, so I'm happy about that. I'm very happy. As I still need to clean this up a bit, but here we go. So you see how there's big buttons right here, right? This is the new buttons that we are referring to when you use $sign toggle buttons, and it's a big button now instead of just small button. So that's this for the new update here. The other update is the idea with the images. If we use so if we go back here, we go all the way back here to infos. The random image GIF 1, GIFs are not displayed when you roll. Or number 2, a random GIF is displayed. Number 1 for CUST, custom images are not displayed. Or number 2, you can do a custom image if they are displayed, if any. Now, when it comes to custom images, it's referring to what your server has in terms of set custom images. So if we go to your server settings and we go to emojis, you're going to notice that we're going to have these guys, these emojis. And most of you have seen these on the server. And sometimes you're gonna see these guys as part of the reaction instead of just the heart. You notice I actually made my own emoji of Francis the Hedgehog. So if you see Francis the Hedgehog as part of the reaction, you can click on him and it's still going to apply as if you claim a character. Okay? So that's how that works for that particular update. Okay? So make sure you guys check that update out. Now, can we predict what's going to happen in June? Well, I have some predictions, and I really think they're going to start to innovate the Waifu Arena bot. I know I said I don't think so in the past, but knowing that it's back tells me that I think they're gonna start to make it more of a experience here. But I am not sure if that's gonna happen right away. I really think it's gonna take some time because it just got back here. Now, what do I think they need to do in Mudae Arena, Waifu Arena? Well, in my recent video, I said they should make a battle royale, and I want to do. I'm in my recent I made a recent video recently saying that about the Waifu Arena bot that they should try a battle royale with waifu, or they should make a Kakera system where you can rent one, or something in that matter. So I really think they're gonna innovate something for the Mudae bot, for the Waifu Arena. As far as the Mudae bot itself, I really think June is going to be the month of quality of life updates, like the buttons, like the custom images. I really think it's gonna be more quality of life. Of course, they're gonna add more characters as new anime comes out this summer, but we have to see what the characters have to offer for for the players. Okay, so I really think it's more quality of life. I really think the next big feature they come out with will not be until like the fall, because they already have a lot to deal with when it comes to like the updates for the game. I really think it's more of the fall for new features or a new system or a new game. Because the last game they developed for the Mudae bot was the Kakera Tower. Okay, so we'll see what happens with that. The only thing that I can see them coming up with in terms of like a new game is some, because they already have a slot machine with Pokemon. The only idea I can see at this point is like a Rocket Casino type for a waifu arena thing. I mean, not waifu arena, but like getting a waifu here. For example, you use a slot machine thing like they did for the Pokemon. So we go my server here. We go to Pokemon. We go to the Rocket Casino is what they call it. If I still have it here, there we go. Pokemon slot. I call it Pokemon slot, but it's both. It's the Rocket Casino. You see how they have Pokemon, and the idea is instead of Pokemon, they can make a waifu casino, and they can put the same rules. Match 3, get that character. I really think they can do that. They did it for Pokemon. Why cannot they do it for the Waifu Arena or Waifu? So that's what I think. That's what I think is gonna happen in the next few months here. But that's it in terms of this update. If you guys have any questions, comments, or suggestions, or if you have questions about the Mudae bot itself or Waifu Arena, I'll try my best to answer you guys in the comments below. So make sure you guys check that out. All right. that's all for the Mudae Madness for now. Our next video will be a redo of the ranking of the tutorials. So get ready for that. But for now, happy Mudae, guys. Enjoy.